Friends, today we are going to discuss EAMCET paper which is conducted in 9th September 2020, shift 1. So here I explain some problems, remaining problems is next video. So now we go to the problems. Let m is equal to 9n square plus 54n plus 80 into 9n square plus 45n plus 54 into 9n square plus 36n plus 35. The greatest positive integer which divides m for all positive integers n is dash. In the given relation, substitute n is equal to 0. Put n is equal to 0. Therefore, m is equal to 80 into 54 into 35. So 80 is 8 into 10, 54 is 9 into 6 into 35. Multiplying these three, 8 into 9 into 10, that is 8 into 9 is 72, 72 into 10, 720, 720 into 6 into 35, 6 5 is 30, that is 210, 720 into 210. The greatest positive integers of m is 720, that is first option is correct answer. Omega is a complex cube roots of unity, then 1 minus omega plus omega square whole power 6 plus 1 minus omega square plus omega whole power 6 is dash. This problem is from complex numbers. We know that the relation 1 plus omega square is equal to 0. From this relation 1 plus omega is equal to minus omega square and 1 plus omega square is equal to minus omega. So substituting this relation in the problem, here is 1 plus omega square minus omega, that is minus omega whole to the power of 6 plus here is 1 plus omega is minus omega square whole to the power of 6, that is equal to minus 2 omega whole power 6 plus minus 2 omega square whole to the power of 6. 2 power 6, that is 64 omega power 6 plus this is minus 2 whole power 6, that is 64 omega power 12. We know that omega cube is equal to 1. Similarly, omega power 6 is equal to 1. Omega power 12 is also 1. That is equal to 64 plus 64, that is equal to 128. That is the answer. Here fourth option is correct answer. If the roots of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 are imaginary, then for all real values of x, then the minimum value of the expression 3a square x square plus 6abx plus 2b square is dash. First option is less than 4ab, second option greater than 4ac, third option greater than minus 4ac, fourth one less than minus 4ab. Here is given quadratic equation ax square plus bx, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Roots are imaginary. Imaginary means b square minus 4ac less than 0. That means b square less than 4ac. And the minimum value of the given expression, minimum value. So minimum value is equal to 4ac minus b square by 4a. That is equal to 4 into a value, that is 3a square, 4 into 3a square, c value 2b square minus b square. B is 6ab, b square means 36, a square b square by 4a. That means 4 into 3a square, 4 into 3 12, 12 into 2 24, a square b square minus 36 a square b square by 4 into 3, 12 a square, that is equal to 24 minus 36, that is minus 12 a square b square by 12 a square. Here is 12 cancelled, a square cancelled, that is equal to minus b square. But here is given b square is less than 4ac. Here is minus b square, that is minus b square is greater than minus 4ac. That is, third option is correct answer. If root x plus 1 by root x is equal to cos theta, root x plus 1 by root x is equal to 2 cos theta, then x power 6 plus x power minus x is equal to dash. Here is first option 2 cos 6 theta, that is first one 2 cos 6 theta, second one 2 cos 12 theta, third one 2 cos 3 theta, fourth one 2 sin 3 theta. Root x plus 1 by root x is equal to given 2 cos theta. We take root x is equal to cos theta plus I sin theta. From this equation, squaring on both sides, x is equal to cos theta plus I sin theta whole square. From De Moivre's theorem, this is written as cos 2 theta plus I sin 2 theta. Similarly, 1 by root x is equal to, that is cos theta minus I sin theta. So 1 by x, squaring on both sides, that is cos 2 theta minus I sin 2 theta. Now we find the value of x to the power of 6 plus x to the power of minus 6. X to the power of 6 value, cos 2 theta plus I sin 2 theta whole to the power of 6 plus 1 by x value, that is cos 2 theta minus I sin 2 theta whole to the power of 6. Now applying De Moivre's theorem, this is cos 2 into 6, that is cos 12 theta plus I sin 12 theta plus cos 12 theta minus I sin 12 theta. Here is I sin 12 theta, I sin 12 theta cancel, that is cos 12 theta plus cos 12 theta, that is equal to 2 cos 12 theta. Second option is correct answer. Next problem, sin h inverse of minus 2 plus cosec h inverse of minus 2 plus cot h inverse of minus 2. We know it is in the form of sin h inverse of minus x, that is sin h inverse of minus x is equal to log of x plus square root of x square plus 1, and cosec h inverse of x is equal to log of 1 minus square root of 1 plus x square by x, and cot h inverse x, cot of h inverse of x is equal to half log of x plus 1 by x minus 1. From these formulas, here x is given to, substituting 2 in these formulas, sin h inverse of minus 2, that is log of x value is minus 2 plus under root of x square plus 1, that is root 5, plus cosec h inverse of minus 2, that is log of 1 minus root 5 by minus 2, plus cot h inverse of minus 2, that is half log of x plus 1 minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 minus 1. So that is equal to log of, this is written as minus 2 root 5 is root 5 minus 2 plus log of, take minus common from this, that is root 5 minus 1 by 2 plus half log of minus 2 plus 1, that is minus 1 by minus 2 minus 1, that is minus 2 minus 1, that is minus 1 by minus 3, that is 1 by 3. So this is in the form of log m plus log n plus log p, that is log of m into n into p, that is log of root 5 minus 2 into root 5 minus 1 by 2 into, this is 1 by 2 into log 1 by 3, that is 1 by 3 whole to the power of 1 by 2, that is equal to log of, multiplying numerator root 5 into root 5, that is 5 minus root 5 into 1 minus root 5 minus 2 root 5 plus 2 by denominator 2 into root 3, that is equal to 2 root 3. So 5 plus 2, that is 7 log of 7 minus root 5 minus 2 root 5, that is 3 root 5 by 2 root 3. This is the answer. In a triangle ABC, if A is to B is to C is equal to 4 is to 5 is to 6, then the ratio of the circumradius to its inradius is dash. First answer is 16 is to 7, second one is 7 is to 16, third one 4 is to 5, fourth one 5 is to 4. Here is given A is to B is to C is equal to 4 is to 5 is to 6. First now find S. S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2, that is equal to 4 plus 5 plus 6 by 2, that is equal to 15 by 2. Now we find the value of delta. Delta is equal, delta square is equal to S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, that is equal to S value is 15 by 2 into S minus A, 15 by 2 minus 4 into S minus B, 15 by 2 minus 5 into S minus C, that is 15 by 2 minus 6, that is equal to 15 by 2 into 15 by 2 minus 4 by 2, that is 15 minus 8, that is 7 by 2 into 15 minus 10, that is 5 by 2 into 15 minus 12, that is 3 by 2. This is the value of delta square. Now here we find the ratio of the circumradius to inradius, that is circumradius is capital R and inradius is small r. Circumradius, that is ABC by 4 delta small r, that is delta by S, that is equal to ABCS by 4 delta square, that is A value is 4 into 5 into 6 into S value 15 by 2 by 4 into delta square, that is 15 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 5 by 2 into 3 by 2. Here is 4 cancel and 15 by 2 cancel, that is equal to 5 into 6 into, here is 5 into 6, 5 into 6 into, so 2 into 2 into 8, that is 8 by 7 into 5 into 3. here 5 cancel and 3 2 times cancel, that is equal to 8 into 2 16 by 7. Therefore the ratio of the circumradius capital R is to in radius small r is equal to 16 is to 7. This is the answer. Here first option is correct answer. Friends, next question. In a triangle ABC, if B is equal to 10 and A cos square C by 2 plus C cos square A by 2 is equal to 15 and the area of the triangle is 15 root 3 square units, then the value of cot B by 2. Here is first option 3 by 2, second one 1 by 2, third option 2 by root 3, fourth one 5 by root 3. Here is given small b is equal to 10 and area of the triangle is given, that is delta is equal to 15 root 3, and here is given A cos square C by 2 plus small c cos square A by 2 is equal to 15. From this equation this value is S, that is equal to S is equal to 15. Here is given data is 15. So now find the value of cot B by 2. Cot B by 2 is equal to S into S minus B by delta. S value is 15. 15 minus B is 10 by delta, that is 15 root 3. Here is 15, 15 cancel, that is 15 minus 10, that is equal to 5 by root 3. So 5 by root 3, the value of cot B by 2 is 5 by root 3. That is fourth option is correct answer. That is the answer. Friends, next question. This question is from properties of triangles. If D1, D2, D3 are the diameters of 3 x circles of a triangle ABC, then D1, D2 plus D2, D3 plus D3, D1 is equal to dash. Here is given D1 is the diameter of the x circle opposite to triangle A, that is D1 is equal to 2R1. Similarly D2 is equal to 2R2. Similarly D3 is equal to 2R3. Substituting these three values in the given relation, that is D1 D2 plus D2 D3 plus D3 D1. D1 D2, that is 4R1 R2. D2 D3, that is 4R2 R3. D3 D1, that is 4R3 R1, that is equal to take 4 common. R1, that is delta by S minus A into delta by S minus B plus R2 delta by S minus B into R3 delta by S minus C plus R3 delta by S minus C into R1, that is delta by S minus A, that is equal to 4 into delta square common, take LCM, that is S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, that is S minus C plus S minus A plus S minus B, that is equal to 4 delta square into S plus S plus S, that is 3S minus of 3S, that is minus of A plus B plus C by multiplying and dividing by S, that is S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C into S. Here is 3S minus A plus B plus C value is 2S, that is 4 delta square into S square by delta square, that is delta square cancel, that is equal to 4S square. 4S square is written as 2S whole square, that is A plus B plus C whole square. Here is first option is correct answer. Friends, this problem is from transformation of axes. The transformed equation of 3x square minus 4xy is equal to r square when the coordinate axes are rotated through an angle tan inverse 2 is. Here is given theta is equal to tan inverse of 2. That is tan theta is equal to 2. Tan theta is equal to. Now we draw the right angle triangle. This is theta. Tan theta means opposite side by adjacent side. That is 2, adjacent side is 1, and hypotenuse is root 5. From this, sin theta is equal to 2 by root 5, and cos theta is equal to 1 by root 5. We know that this equation is transformed to an angle tan inverse 2. So now we find the new equation. That is, we know the formulas. That is, small x is equal to capital X cos theta minus y sin theta, and small y is equal to capital X sin theta plus capital Y cos theta. Substituting sin theta cos theta in this equation, therefore small x is equal to capital X minus 2y by root 5, and small y is equal to capital X plus 2 capital X plus y by root 5. Substituting these two in the given relation, that is 3x square minus 4xy is equal to r square. 3 into x square, that is capital X square plus 4y square minus 4xy by root 5 whole square is 5, minus 4 into xy, multiplying these two, that is capital X into 2 capital X, that is 2 capital X square minus xy minus 4xy minus 2y square by root 5 into root 5, that is 5, that is equal to r square. Take LCM, and that is 3x square plus 12y square minus 12xy minus 8x square, 5 into 4, that is minus xy plus xy minus 4xy, that is minus plus 12xy plus 8y square is equal to 5r square. So plus 12xy minus 12xy cancelled. 3x square minus 8x square, that is minus 5x square. 12y square plus 8y square, that is 20y square is equal to 5r square. Therefore take 5 common, that is 4y square minus x square is equal to r square. So this is the answer. Here third option is correct answer. Friends, next question. This question is from Locus. Here is given, let capital A is 0, 4 and capital B is 2 cos theta, 2 sin theta for some 0 less than theta less than pi by 2. Let P divides the line segment AB the ratio 2:3 internally. Then find the locus of P. Is a first option circle, second one ellipse, third one parabola, fourth one hyperbola. Here is given capital A, that is capital A point is 0, 4 and capital B is 2 cos theta, 2 sin theta. These 2 points divided by a point P, that is let take Px, y in the ratio 2:3. So the point P x, y is equal to 2 into second coordinate B plus 3 into first coordinate A by 2 plus 3, that is equal to 2 into second coordinate B, 2 cos theta, that is 4 cos theta, 3 into 0, 0, that is 4 sin theta, 3 into 4, 12 by 2 plus 3 is 5. Here is 2 plus 3 is 5. Now from this, the x value is 4 cos theta by 5 and y value is 4 sin theta plus 12 by 5. So from this cos theta is equal to 5x by 4, and from this sin theta is equal to 5y minus 12 by 4. We know the formula. Here is cos theta and sin theta, that is cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. Cos square theta value is 25 x square by 16 plus sin square theta 1 by 16 into 5y minus 12 whole square is equal to 1. From this relation, that is 25 x square plus 25y square minus 120y plus 144 is equal to 16. This equation represents, here is coefficient of x square y square is equal. So that is, this equation represents a circle. Here first option is correct answer. Friends, next question. If x cos theta plus y sin theta is equal to p is the normal form and y is equal to mx plus c is the slope intercept form of the line x plus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0, then find the value of tan inverse of tan theta plus m plus c. Here is given normal form and slope intercept form is given. That is, given relation is x plus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. X plus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. First we convert this equation into normal form. That is, x plus 2y is equal to minus 1. That is, minus x minus 2y is equal to 1. So here is a value is minus 1 and b value is minus 2. So dividing by root of a square plus b square, that is minus 1 whole square plus minus 2 whole square is root 5. So the equation in normal form, that is minus x by root 5 minus 2y by root 5 is equal to 1. Here is sin theta is equal to minus 2 by root 5 and cos theta is equal to minus 1 by root 5. This is the normal form. From this, tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta, that is minus 2 by minus 1 is 2. So tan theta value is 2. And now the given equation x plus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0 converting into slope intercept form. So slope intercept form is y is equal to mx plus c. So from this equation 2y is equal to minus x minus 1. Y is equal to minus 1 by 2x minus 1 by 2. So here m value is minus 1 by 2 and c value is minus 1 by 2. Substituting these values m, c and tan theta in tan inverse of tan theta plus m plus c, that is equal to tan inverse of tan theta 2 minus m, that is minus 1 by 2 c minus 1 by 2, that is equal to tan inverse of 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2, that is 2 minus 1, that is equal to tan inverse of 1. Therefore tan inverse of 1 value is 5 by 4. That is the answer. Next problem. If the family of the straight lines ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where 2a plus 3b is equal to 4c is concurrent at the point P, L, comma M, then the foot of the perpendicular drawn from P to the line x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Here is given ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 and 2a plus 3b is equal to 4c. These two lines are concurrent. Now we find the point of concurrence. That is, second equation is written as minus 2a minus 3b plus 4c is equal to 0. So dividing by 4 this equation, that is minus 2 by 4a minus 3 by 4 into b plus c is equal to 0. This is the second equation and this is the first equation. Equating these two, here is plus c, here is plus c. Equating the coefficients of a, that is x is equal to minus 2 by 4, that is equal to minus 1 by 2. And y is equal to minus 3 by 4. Therefore, the point of concurrence L, comma M, this is P. is equal to minus 1 by 2 comma minus 3 by 4. Now we find the foot of the perpendicular from P to the given line x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. So foot of the perpendicular is h minus x1 by a is equal to k minus y1 by b is equal to minus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. Now, so h minus x1, that is h plus 1 by 2 by a value, that is x coefficient is 1, that is k plus 3 by 4, that is b value is 1, that is equal to minus of ax1, that is minus 1 by 2 minus 3 by 4, that is minus 5 by 4 plus 1 by a square plus b square, that is 1 square plus 1 square, that is 2, that is equal to minus 5 by 4 plus 1, that is minus 1 by 4 into minus 1 by 4 by 1 by 2, that is 1 by 8. Therefore h is equal to 1 by 8 minus 1 by 2, that is equal to, take LCM 8, 1 minus 4, that is equal to minus 3 by 8. Therefore h value is minus 3 by 4 and k plus 3 by 4 is equal to 1 by 8. Therefore k is equal to 1 by 8 minus 3 by 4. Take 8 LCM, 1 minus 6, that is equal to minus 5 by 8. So k value is minus 5 by 8. Therefore foot h comma k is equal to minus 3 by 8 comma minus 5 by 8. This is the answer. If P comma Q is the centroid of the triangle formed by the lines ax square minus 8x square minus 14xy plus 5y square is equal to 0 and x minus 2y plus 3 is equal to 0. So it is in the form of ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. From this a is equal to 8 and 2h value is minus 14, h is equal to minus 7 and b is equal to 5. Now the given equation is x minus 2y plus 3 is equal to 0. So this is written as x minus 2y is equal to minus 3. So dividing by minus 3, that is minus 1 by 3x plus 2 by 3 into y is equal to 1. So it is in the form of lx plus my is equal to 1. Here L value is minus 1 by 3 and m value is 2 by 3. We know the centroid P comma Q, that is P by BL minus HM is equal to Q by AM minus HL. Substituting values in this, P by BL, B is 5 by 5 into minus 1 by 3, that is minus 5 by 3, minus HM minus 7 into 2 by 3, that is minus 14 by 3 is 14 by plus 14 by 3, that is Q by AM 8 into 2 by 3, that is 16 by 3 minus HL minus 7 into minus 1 by 3, that is plus 7 by 3. From this P by, that is 14 minus 5, 9 by 3, 9 by 3, and Q by 16 minus 7, 9 by 3. So 9 by 3 is 3, 9 by 3 is 3. From this P by 3 is equal to Q by 3, 3 cancelled, that is P is equal to Q. So here is the fourth option is correct answer. Next question. The area of the triangle formed by two tangents drawn from an external point 0, 0 to the circle x square plus y square minus 2zx minus 2hy plus h square is equal to 0 and their chord of contact is dash. Here is given circle is given, that is this is the circle, and chord of contact, that means external point is given, that is external point is P point 0 comma 0. Two tangents are drawn to this circle. This is the chord of contact. Now we find the area of this triangle. We know that the area of the triangle delta is equal to R into S11 whole to the power of 3 by 2 by S11 plus R square. This is the area between the tangents and the chord of contact of the circle. Here center of the circle is, that is G comma H, and the radius of the circle is under root of G square plus H square minus H square. H square cancel, that is root G square is G, that is equal to G. And the S11, substituting 0 comma 0 in the circle, 0 square plus 0 square all value 0, that is H square. Substituting R values in this area of the triangle, that is delta is equal to R G into S11, that is H square whole to the power of 3 by 2 by S11 H square plus R square, that is G square. Here is 2 cancelled, that is G H cube by H square plus G square. This is the area of the triangle formed by the tangents and the chord of contact of the circle. The circle x square plus y square minus 6x plus 2y is equal to 28. Cut off chord of length lambda units on the line 2x minus 5y plus 18 is equal to 0. Then the value of lambda. Here is given circle, this is the circle, and cutting the chord, this is 2x minus 5y plus 18 is equal to 0. First we find the center of the circle, that is center is 3 comma minus 1, and the radius R is equal to 9 plus 1 plus 28, that is equal to root 38. Now we find D. D means perpendicular distance from center to the given line, that is 2 into 3 minus 5 into minus 1 plus 18 by under root of 2 square plus 5 square, that is D is equal to 2 into 3 6 plus 5 11 plus 8, that is 20, 11 plus 18, that is 29 by root 2 square plus 5 square 29, that is equal to root 29. So that is, here is chord of length lambda is given. This is the center of the circle. This is the perpendicular distance D. This total distance is given. Chord length is given. This chord length is lambda. This is lambda by 2 and this is lambda by 2. This is the radius of the circle. Here the triangle is, this is right angle triangle. This is the distance D and this is R. This is lambda by 2. We know that this is a right angle triangle. Applying Pythagoras law, R square is equal to D square plus lambda square by 4. R square, R value is root 38, that is 38 is equal to D square 29 plus lambda square by 4. Therefore lambda square by 4 is equal to 38 minus 29, that is equal to 9. So lambda square is equal to 36, that is lambda is equal to 6. The value of lambda is 6. Here is third option is correct answer. If cos of theta 1 plus theta 2 by cos of theta 1 minus theta 2 plus cos of theta 3 minus theta 4 by cos of theta 3 plus theta 4 is equal to 0, then the value of cot theta 1 into cot theta 2 into cot theta 3 into cot theta 4 is equal to dash. Here is given cos of, this is in the form of cos of a plus b, that is cos theta 1 cos theta 2 minus sin theta 1 into sin theta 2 by cos of a minus b form, that is cos of theta 1 cos theta 2 plus sin theta 1 into sin theta 2 is equal to minus of cos of a minus b, that is cos theta 3 cos theta 4 plus sin theta 3 sin theta 4 by cos of a plus b, that is cos theta 3 cos theta 4 minus sin theta 3 sin theta 4. So that is, so this is in the form of a minus b by a plus b. This is a plus b by a minus b. Applying componendo dividendo, we get 2 cos theta 1 cos theta 2 by 2 sin theta 1 sin theta 2 is equal to 2 sin theta 3 sin theta 4 by 2 cos theta 3 cos theta 4. Here is 2 cancelled, here is 2 cancelled. So here is minus. So cos theta 1 by sin theta 1, that is cot theta 1 into cot theta 2 is equal to minus tan theta 3 into tan theta 4. Take minus this side, that is cot theta 1 into cot theta 2 into cot theta 3 into cot theta 4 is equal to minus 1. Here is second option is correct answer. The equation sin power 4x minus of k plus 3 into sin square x minus k minus 4 is equal to 0 as a solution. Here is first option is k greater than 4 and minus 4 less than or equal to k less than or equal to minus 3. And third option k is any positive integer, and fourth option k is equal to 0. Here is given by quadratic equation is given, that is sin power 4x minus of this k plus 3 is written as k plus 4 minus 1 into sin square x minus take common, that is k plus 4 is equal to 0. So this is sin power 4x minus of k plus 4 into sin square x minus into minus plus sin square x minus of k plus 4 is equal to 0. From these two equations k plus 4 common, that is sin power 4x plus sin square x minus of take k plus 4 common, that is k plus 4 into sin square x is equal to 0. From this sin square x take common, sin square x into sin square x plus 1 minus of k plus 4 into sin square x is equal to 0. From this equation sin square x is equal to k plus 4. So sin square x lies in between 0 less than or equal to sin square x less than or equal to 1. That means 0 less than or equal to k plus 4 less than or equal to 1. Add minus 4, that is 0 minus 4 is minus 4 less than or equal to k plus 4 minus 4, which is less than or equal to 1 minus 4. Here is 4 cancelled. Minus 4 less than or equal to k less than or equal to minus 3. So this is the answer. From this second option is correct answer. Next question. This question is from binomial theorem. Here is given y is equal to 3 by 4 plus 3 into 5 by 4 into 8 plus 3 into 5 into 7 by 4 into 8 into 12 plus up to dash dash infinity. Then the relation, these fourth options is given, that is y square minus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0. First option. Second one is y square plus 2y minus 7 is equal to 0. And third option, y square minus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0. And fourth option, y square plus 4y minus 6 is equal to 0. Here is given y is equal to 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is written as 3 by 2 into 1 by 2. Similarly, next term 3.5 by 4.8 is written as 3 into 5 by 2 into 4. Take 2 common, that is this is 1 by 2 whole square plus up to dash dash. Add 1 on both sides, that is equal to y plus 1 is equal to 1 plus 3 by 2 into 1 by 2 plus 3 into 5 by 2 into 4 into 1 by 2 whole square plus up to dash dash. So it is in the form of 1 plus nx plus up to dash dash. Here is n value is, that is equal to 1 plus nx plus up to dash dash, that is n value is 3 by 2 and x value is 1 by 2. So y plus 1 is equal to, this is in the form of 1 minus x whole to the power of minus n, that is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2 whole to the power of minus n is, that is minus 3 by 2. 1 minus 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2 whole to the power of minus 3 by 2, that is equal to 2 to the power of 3 by 2. This is written as 8 power 1 by 2. 8 power 1 by 2 is 2 root 2. This is y plus 1 is equal to 2 root 2. Now we squaring on both sides, that is y square plus 2y plus 1 is equal to 2 into root 2 whole square, that is 4 into 2, that is equal to 8. Take this side, that is y square plus 2y plus 1 minus 8 is equal to 0, that is y square plus 2y minus 7 is equal to 0. Here is second option is correct answer. If the partial fraction decomposition of x square plus 1 by x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 2 is a by x plus 2 plus b by x square plus x plus 1 plus c by x plus 2 into x square plus x plus 1, then find the value of a minus b plus c is dash. Here is given x square plus 1 by, so partial fractions of denominator is x plus 2 into x square plus x plus 1 is equal to a by x plus 2 plus b by x square plus x plus 1 plus c by x plus 2 into x square plus x plus 1. So take LCM on both sides and LCM is cancelled, that is x square plus 1 is equal to a into x square plus x plus 1 plus b into x plus 2 plus c. Now we substituting x is equal to minus 1, that is x square plus 1 is 2 minus 1, that a into x square 1 minus 1, that is a plus b plus c, and put x is equal to 0 in the given equation, that is 1 is equal to a plus 2b plus c, and put x is equal to 1, that is 2 is equal to 3a plus 3b plus c. This is the first equation and this is second equation and this is third equation. Now we do second equation minus first equation, that is Second equation is a plus 2b plus c is equal to 1. A plus b plus c is equal to 2. So subtracting minus minus minus, here is a cancelled and c cancelled. 2b minus b is b. B is equal to 1 minus 2 is minus 1. B value is minus 1. Substituting b value in first equation, that is 2 is equal to a plus b plus c. B is equal to minus 1, that is 2 is equal to a minus 1 plus c. Therefore a plus c is equal to 2 plus 1 is 3. Now we find the value of a minus b plus c, that is a minus b plus c, that is equal to a plus c value is 3, that is a plus c minus b. A plus c value is 3 minus of minus b value is minus 1, that is equal to 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. That is the answer. Next question. If alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of the equation x cube plus ax square minus bx plus c is equal to 0, then find the value of sigma beta square into gamma plus alpha. So here is alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of the given equation. That is sum of the roots alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b by a, that is minus a by 1, that is minus a, and the product of the roots taken 2 at a time, that is alpha beta, beta gamma, gamma alpha, that is c by a, that is c value is minus b, and the product of the roots alpha beta gamma is equal to minus d by a. Here is minus c. So now we find the value of sigma beta square of gamma plus alpha. This is eliminating sigma, that is beta square into gamma plus alpha plus gamma square into alpha plus beta plus alpha square into beta plus gamma. Multiplying this, that is beta square gamma plus beta square alpha plus gamma square alpha plus gamma square beta plus alpha square beta plus alpha square gamma. Now we take alpha beta common, this from these two, that is alpha plus beta. Next take beta gamma common, here is beta gamma common, that is beta plus gamma, and lastly gamma alpha common, that is gamma plus alpha, that is equal to alpha beta into alpha plus beta value. From this equation alpha plus beta value is minus a minus gamma plus beta gamma into beta plus value, that is minus a minus alpha plus gamma alpha into gamma plus alpha, that is minus a minus beta. So multiplying these two, that is minus a alpha beta plus alpha beta gamma minus a beta gamma plus alpha beta gamma minus a gamma alpha plus alpha beta gamma. Here is alpha beta gamma, alpha beta gamma, alpha beta gamma, that is 3 alpha beta gamma minus a common, that is alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha, that is equal to 3 into alpha plus alpha beta gamma value is minus c. This is minus c minus a into alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha value is minus b, that is equal to a into b minus a into b, ab minus 3c. Here is minus alpha beta gamma and minus alpha beta gamma minus alpha beta gamma, that is minus 3 alpha beta gamma minus 3 into minus c, that is equal to plus 3c. So that is answer is AB plus 3c. That is the answer. The angle between the circles x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus k is equal to 0, and x square plus y square plus 8x minus 4y plus 11 is equal to 0 is pi by 3. Then the value of k is. So first we find the center of the first circle C1, that is 2 comma 3, and radius R1 is equal to 4 plus 9 minus k, that is equal to root over 9 plus 4, 13 minus k. And the center of the second circle C2 is equal to minus 4 comma 2, and R2 is equal to under root of 16 plus 4 minus 11, that is equal to 16 plus 4, 20 minus 11, that is root 9. Root 9 is 3. Here is the angle between the circles is given, that is pi by 3, 60 degrees. We know the angle between the circles cos theta is equal to d square minus r1 square minus r2 square by 2 r1 r2. That is d is the distance between the centers, that is 2 plus 4, 6 square, that is 36, 3 minus 2 whole square is equal to 1, that is root 37. Substituting the values, cos theta, that is cos 60, that is 1 by 2 is equal to d square 37 r1 square, that is 13 minus k minus r2 square 9 by 2 r1 r2, 2 into 13 minus k into 3. Here is 2 to cancel. Take cross multiplication, that is 3 into 13 minus k is equal to 37 minus 13, that is 24, 24 minus 9, that is 15 plus k. Now we are squaring on both sides. 9 into 13 minus k is equal to 15 plus k whole square, that is 225 plus k square plus 30k, that is from this equation k square plus 30k plus minus 9k plus, that is 39k, 225 minus 9 into 13, that is minus plus 108 is equal to 0. So 108 factors, that is 3 into 36, that is k square plus 3k plus 36k plus 108 is equal to 0. So take k common, that is k into k plus 3 plus 36 common, that is k plus 3 is equal to 0. From this equation k plus 3 is equal to 0, k value is minus 3. Friends, next question. This is from differential equations. If y is equal to f of x is the solution of the differential equation x into dy by dx is equal to x square plus 3y, x greater than 0, and y of 2 is equal to 4, then find the value of f of 4. Here is given differential equation is x into dy by dx is equal to x square plus 3y. Dividing by x, that is dy by dx is equal to x square by x, that is x plus 3y by x. So dy by dx minus 3y by x is equal to x. So it is in the form of linear equation. So linear equation is dy by dx plus py is equal to q. Here p value is minus 3 by x and the q value is x. First we'll find the value of integrating factor, that is integrating factor is equal to e power integration of p dx, that is equal to e power integration of p value minus 3 by x into dx, that is equal to e to the power of minus 3 log x, that is equal to 1 by x cube. Now we find solution. So solution, that is y into integrating factor is equal to integration of integrating factor into q dx. Y into integrating factor, that is 1 by x cube, that means y by x cube is equal to integration of 1 by x cube into q value x dx. Here is one x cancelled, that is 1 by x square into dx. Therefore integration of 1 by x square, that is minus 1 by x plus c. So y by x cube is equal to minus 1 by x plus c. Therefore y is equal to minus x square plus c x cube. Here is given, so y of 2, the problem y of 2 is equal to 4 is given. That means this is the equation of y of x is equal to minus x square plus c x cube. Substituting x value 2 and y value 4, that is 4 is equal to minus x square, that is minus 4 plus c into x cube, that is 8. Therefore 8 is equal to 8c. From this c is equal to 1. Substituting c value in the given answer, that is y is equal to minus x square plus c value is 1, that is x cube. Now we find f of 4, that is y is equal to f of 4 is equal to substituting x value 4 in this, that is minus 4 square, that is 16 plus 4 cube, that is 64. Therefore 64 minus 16, that is equal to 48. That is the answer. So here the value of f of 4 is 48. Next problem. The general solution of the equation dy by dx is equal to x plus y minus 3 by x plus y minus 4. Here is given differential equation dy by dx is equal to x plus y minus 3 by x plus y minus 4 is written as minus 3 minus 4. So here is x plus y minus 3, x plus y minus 3 is same term. That term is taken x plus y minus 3 is equal to t. Say. Now we take differentiation. Derivation of x is 1 and differentiation of y is dy by dx, and minus 3 derivative is 0 is equal to t derivation dt by dx. Now dy by dx is equal to dt by dx minus 1. Substituting these values, so this value and this value in the given problem, that is dy by dx. dy by dx is written as dt by dx minus 1 is equal to t by t minus 4. From this dt by dx is equal to t plus t minus 4 by t minus 4, that is equal to t plus t 2t minus 4, that is 2 common, that is 2t into t minus 2 by t minus 4. Now the problem is in variable separable method. So that is take cross multiplication, t minus 4 by t minus 2 into dt is equal to 2 dx. Now take integration on both sides, that is t minus 4 is written as t minus 2 by t minus 2 into dt is equal to integration of 2 dx. T minus 2 by t minus 2, that is 1 into dt minus 2 constant, that is 1 by t minus 2 into dt is equal to 2 into integration of dx. 1 dt is t minus 2 into 1 by t minus 2, that is log of t minus 2 is equal to 2x plus c. Now we substitute the value of t. T is x plus y minus 3. Substituting in this, that is x plus y minus 3 minus 2 into log of, this is x plus y minus 3, that is x plus y minus 3 minus 2, that is minus 5, is equal to 2x plus c. Here is 2x, 1x cancelled. Therefore, that is y, take 2x this side, that is y minus x minus 3 is equal to minus 3, that is equal to 2 log of x plus y minus 5. So from this equation, x plus y minus 5 is equal to x plus y whole square. Logarithm cancel on both sides, that is e to the power of y minus x minus 3. From this, x plus y minus 5 whole square is equal to e to the power of y minus x into e to the power of minus 3, that is taken as another constant c. This is the answer. Friends, next problem. The differential equation for which root over 1 plus y square is equal to cx into e to the power of tan inverse x is the general solution of. Here is given root over 1 plus y square is equal to cx into e to the power of tan inverse x. Now we find a differential equation. That means take differentiation on both sides. The root 1 plus y square differentiation, that is 1 by 2 root 1 plus y square into 1 plus y square derivation. 1 is 0, y square derivation 2y into dy by dx is equal to c into x into e power tan inverse x. It is in the form of uv, that is x into e power tan inverse x derivation, e power tan inverse x into d by dx of tan inverse x, that is 1 by 1 plus x square plus e to the power of tan inverse x into x differentiation 1. So take e power tan inverse x common, c e to the power of tan inverse x, that is x by 1 plus x square plus 1, that is take LCM, that is x plus 1 plus x square by 1 plus x square. So here we know the value of c into e power tan inverse x from this problem, root 1 plus y square by x. Substituting on that, here is 2 cancelled, so y into dy by dx by root over 1 plus y square is equal to c e power tan inverse x from the problem, root over 1 plus y square by x into 1 plus x square by 1 plus x square. So take cross multiplication, that is x into 1 plus x square into y, that is xy into 1 plus x square into dy is equal to root 1 plus y square into root 1 plus y square, that is 1 plus y square into 1 plus x square into dx. This is the differential equation of the given equation. Integration of 0 to pi by 2 x cube into sin x dx. Here is x cube into sin x. One is algebraic term, second one is trigonometric term. This is using method as dA method. First we take as this is x cube and this is sin x, and take differentiation of x cube and integration of trigonometry term sin x. So derivative of x cube is 3x square and the derivative of 3x square is 6x and the derivative of 6x is 6 and the derivative of 6 is 0. Now we take integration of sin x, that is minus cos x, and integration of minus cos x, that is minus sin x, and integration of minus sin x, that is cos x, and integration of cos x is sin x. In this term we taken this is plus, and this is minus, plus, minus, plus. So multiplying these two, cross multiplication, x cube into minus sin x. Next term 3x square into minus x sin x, 6x into cos x, and 6 into sin x. Next 0 into that value, total value is equal to 0. So integration of this value is equal to, first one, x cube into minus cos x, that is minus x cube cos x, and minus 3x square into minus sin x, that is plus 3x square sin x, plus 6x into cos x, plus 6x cos x, and minus 6 into sin x, that is minus 6 sin x. So integration of this value is completed, that is lower bound 0, upper bound pi by 2. Now we substituting upper bound pi by 2, that is pi by 2. Here is cos 90 is 0. 3 into pi by 2 whole square, that is 3 pi square by 4, that is 3 by 4 pi square, and sin 90 is 1. And 6 into 6 pi by 2 into cos 90 0, minus 6 into sin 91, that is equal to minus 6. This is the upper bound, and the lower bound 0. So x value 0, x value 0, x value 0, and sin value is also 0. So lower bound value is 0. That is equal to 3 pi square by 4 minus 6. Here is fourth option is correct answer. That is the answer. Friends, next problem. If x is not equal to minus 1 and integration of x cube plus x square minus x minus 1 by x power 5 plus x power 4 plus 3x cube plus 3x square plus x plus 1 into tan inverse of x square plus 1 by x dx is equal to a log of f of x plus c. Then find the value of capital A minus tan of f of 2. So here is given, take tan inverse, this total value is equal to t, that is tan inverse of x square plus 1 by x is equal to t. Now take differentiation on both sides, that is dt is equal to tan inverse x differentiation, that is 1 by 1 plus x square, that means x square plus 1 by x whole square into d by dx of x square plus 1 by x. So that is 1 by 1 plus x square plus 1, that is take LCM, x square plus x to the power of 4 plus 2x square plus 1 by x square, that is x square by this value into d by dx of x square plus 1 by x. This is written as d by dx of x square by x, that is x plus 1 by x. So differentiation of x is 1 and 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. So differentiation of x square plus 1 by x is 1 minus 1 by x square, that is x square minus 1 by x square. Here is x square cancelled, that is equal to x square minus 1 by x to the power of 4 plus 3x square plus 1 into dx. This is the differentiation of tan inverse of x square plus 1. Therefore dt is equal to, now the given problem is integration of x cube plus x square minus x minus 1 by x to the power of 5 plus x to the power of 4 plus 3x cube plus 3x square plus x plus 1 into tan inverse of x square plus 1 by x into dx. So here is take x common from these two, integration of x cube minus x, that is take x common, that is x into x square minus 1 plus x square minus 1 by take x power 4 common, that is x power 4 into x plus 1 plus 3x square common, that is x plus 1 plus x plus 1 into tan inverse of x square plus 1 by x into dx. Again, in numerator x square minus 1 common, that is x plus 1 into x square minus 1. In denominator x plus 1 take common, that is x plus 1 into x to the power of 4 plus 3x square plus 1 into tan inverse of x square plus 1 by x into dx. Here is x plus 1 cancel. And from this integration of x square minus 1 by x to the power of 4 plus 3x square plus 1 into 1 by tan inverse of x square plus 1 by x dx is equal to, so this value is taken t, and x square minus 1 by x power 4 plus 3x square plus 1 dx value is dt, that is 1 by t into dt, that is equal to log t plus c, that is equal to log of t value is tan inverse of x square plus 1 by x plus c, so that is equal to a log f of x, tan inverse of f of x plus c. So from this a value is 1 and f of x is equal to x square plus 1 by x. Now find f of 2 is equal to 4 plus 1 by 2, that is equal to 5 by 2. Now we find a minus f of 2. A value is 1 minus 5 by 2, that is equal to 2 minus 5 by 2, that is equal to minus 3 by 2. That is the answer. Next problem. Here is given f maps to r plus to r be an increasing function such that f of x greater than 0 for all x. If limit extends to infinity, f of 9x by f of 3x value is 1, then find the value of limit extends to infinity, f of 6x by f of 3x. Here is given f maps to r plus to r is f of x is increasing function. Increasing function, that means increasing function means that is f of 3x which is less than f of 6x which is less than f of 9x, give for sub, because of f of x is increasing function. So now dividing by the equation by f of 3x, that is f of 3x by f of 3x which is less than f of 6x by f of 6x 3x, that is which is less than f of 9x by f of 3x. So here is f of 3x by f of 3x value is 1, that is 1 less than f of 6x by f of 3x which is less than f of 9x by f of 3x. Now we are applying limit, that is limit extends to infinity, one value is 1 and which is less than limit extends to infinity f of 6x by f of 3x which is less than limit extends to infinity f of 9x by f of 3x. So this value f of 9x by f of 3x, limit extends to infinity. This value is given, that is 1. That is 1 less than limit extends to infinity f of 6x by f of 3x, which is less than 1. From these two, by sandwich theorem, limit extends to infinity f of 6x by f of 3x is equal to 1. That is the answer. Friends, next problem. For x is not equal to 1 and y is not equal to minus 1. If x is equal to 1 minus cube root of y by 1 plus cube root of y, then dx by dy is equal to dash. So here is given x is not equal to minus 1 and then y is not equal to minus 1. Here is x is equal to, here is given x is equal to, that is x by 1 is equal to 1 minus cube root of y by 1 plus cube root of y. Now we are applying componendo dividendo, that is 1 minus x by 1 plus x is equal to 1 plus cube root of y minus 1 plus cube root of y by 1 plus cube root of y plus 1 minus cube root of y. So a cube root of y cancel, 1 cancel. Therefore 1 minus x by 1 plus x is equal to 2 into cube root of y by 2. Again 2 cancelled. So therefore y to the power of 1 by 3 is equal to 1 minus x by 1 plus x. Cubing on both sides, that is y is equal to 1 minus x by 1 plus x whole to the power of 3. So now we take differentiation on both sides, that is differentiation of y is dy by dx is equal to 3 into 1 minus x by 1 plus x whole square into d by dx of 1 minus x by 1 plus x, that is 1 plus x into 1 minus x derivation, that is minus 1 minus 1 minus x into 1 plus x derivation 1 by 1 plus x whole square, that is equal to 3 into 1 minus x whole square by 1 plus x whole square into 1 plus x whole square, that is 1 plus x whole to the power of 4. Here is minus 1 minus x minus 1 plus x. Here is x cancel, minus 1 minus 1, that is minus 2 into 3, that is equal to minus 6 into 1 minus x whole square by 1 plus x whole to the power of 4. This is dy by dx. But in our problem he is asking dx by dy, that is take reverse, that is dx by dy is equal to 1 plus minus of 1 plus x whole to the power of 4 by 6 into 1 minus x whole square. This is the answer.